Good afternoon, people out there on the internet, and thank you for watching my channel. Today I'm starting a new project. Well, not today I'm literally starting a new project, but a new project arrived. I want to let you into what I'm doing. This will be a series of quite a few videos of this next project. And what is it? Let me just turn the lights on in the shop. Oh. And I'll tell you what it's not. It's not behind me. It's not the Caliente, which is the project. And I think if I go this way, neither is it the 51 Land Rover. I've got a lot of, sorry about the bright light on my eyes. So I do have a new project. We'll take a walk outside and we'll show you what it is. So here we are in my workshop. The project's not in the workshop. Here I got a 66 Caliente I'm doing a soft top on. I want to get this one out this week. It's a bit of a pain, this one is, to be honest with you. The 51 Land Rover there, I've got new wiring to go in. That's got to be out of here soon. And down there, from a previous video, I think it's there, is the engine for the MGB. And on the bench, I got various other projects. I'm working on small engine stuff as well. Let's take a walk outside. And believe it or not, this morning it was actually snowing. And to my right, in the tree, is a 72 MGB shell, which I've been working on for a long time. That's not the project. Go around here, got the various quads. There's the Land Rover Spare, Mercedes in the background. Those aren't the projects. My son's Audi Coupe, that's not a project. But it's this one here. Around the tree. This is a 1968 Ford Mustang Coupe. One owner from new. Do a quick walk around. This is in for a complete restoration. Ground up restoration. Do go around the front. It was snowing this morning. It was white. Sorry about the wind noise that's coming through. Take a step back. Come down. There's a side profile of this one owner 1968 Mustang. She is a bit sorry state. We'll take a look inside. You will see, yes, it needs reupholstering. There's holes in the floor here. There's the dashboard. It's got how many miles on it? 60,000 miles around there. There's no carpets on the floor at all. A few bits missing. Seats are really in poor condition. Lucky enough, the floors in the back aren't too bad. Headliner, if I can get it up, look it up there. I'm not too sure if that's going to come out. But it needs a new headliner. It needs a new windscreen. See the cracks. Yeah, it's pretty sad inside. It's been sat for a very, very long time. So it's a 3-speed on the floor. I'll talk about what's happening with that. Oh, there's my phone. Sorry about that. It's always the way when I take a video, something goes off. Nobody wants me. Body wise, it's not too bad. There's a few crusty bits here and there. Rear arches are gone as well, so a bit like my last Ford Mustang, we'll be chomping this out and putting a new steel in. Obviously it's going to be repainted. This is rather cool. I didn't know this. There's actually indicator lights in these. I didn't know that, so I'm not really a North American. You lift up the hood and there's the engine bay. And look at all that space. got a 6-cylinder. To be honest, I'm not even too sure what size it is. Look around it. It is quite solid. In the inner fenders are all quite solid. Same rust as what my last one I did in these places. Over here as well, over there. So now I'll let you into the secret. What else is going on? This engine is coming out, and I'm going to put in a 5-litre or 302 Ford Mustang V8 in here with a 5-speed transmission on here. And I'll show you that donor car in a minute. And you can see the original color actually down here. Yeah, you can see the original color. It was like a lime green. I think the owner wants to go back to the original color. This used to be his grandmother's. Close this up. Closer look around the side. There's a dent in the fender here. You can take that out. Rust wise, it's pretty good. Antenna hole, that'll be coming out. Don't look at the paint. Paint is going to come off. Going to be back to bare metal. Typical rust here. Again, chopping out the metal, putting in new quarter panels. I don't have a key for the trunk, sorry, but the trunk is actually pretty tidy inside. The rear valance is pretty ratty and beat up. Putting in a new one of these for the twin exhaust system as well. So that's the project for it. I have no idea when it was last on the road. That plate is not the original plate. So it's been off road a long time, been sat basically in the field at the owner's property for a long time. Now, if I swing around, do a little walkie. This is the donor car for the engine. There it is. It's a 1988 Ford Mustang Fox body. I don't know if you can see underneath the trailer, it's got twin exhausts. It's loud. I'm not going to show you inside, but this is going to be letting this go with spares. Oh, 1, 2, 3. And there's the engine bay. This engine and some of the ancillaries will be popping into the 68. Now some of the purists out there may go a little bit wild, but this will make it into a nice resto rod and fast as well. So that is it. Oh, lower that down. This got all bent when we picked the trailer up, when we picked up on the trailer. So that's the donor car. Parts will be for sale. So thank you for watching. I'll just head back into the workshop and one last look at the Mustang. There it is. And I will be doing detailed videos of this as we go along. I'll be showing how I cut the metal out, how I weld the metal in, how I'll be doing the interior, the upholstery, the engine swap, wiring. We'll be having new alloy wheels on here. It's going to be a very, very nice car when it's finished. It's going to take a few months to do this, but this is the next big major project for me. So again, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to follow this one along. Lots of other little projects coming along their way as well. For this, I'll say bye for now, and stay safe out there. There'll be more videos coming soon. Bye for now.